Hey everybody, it is Ursula here with Caribbean & Co. I have checked into the Sandals Regency La Toc in beautiful St. Lucia, and I'm going to give you a tour of my room, which is 808. It is a bi-level Butler suite, and as we enter, we've got a little workstation here with a mini fridge, and then a safe for storage. And then if we pan here, we've got full-length mirrors, beautiful. And then straight on, it is your closet, which I've already unpacked, so it's a little bit messy, but lots of room. And then to the right here, it is the bathroom. We've got a huge tub for baths after a long day. We've got lots of towels here. We've got the double sink and plenty of room. And then we've got the toilet with a door on it for a little bit of privacy. And then we've got the shower here. It's got an overhead as well as two other heads there for getting the water in all places that you'd like. And if we back out, then we go to the bedroom area, which is an American King, very spacious. We've got bedside tables with lots of outlets on either side for charging your phone and other appliances. And we've got a TV here. And then we've got a beautiful view of the ocean. Quite lovely. All right, we've got some light fixtures. The decor is very neutral, light, airy, so good for relaxation. And as we take the stairs down to the second level and the Butler suite, and we've got a dining area for two people. Got a standard couch. And then we've got a second TV that you can watch. Then we have a kitchenette kind of area with a second mini fridge with wine, water, and soft drinks. And then we've got the premium liquor up top, some Johnny Walker, Absolute Vodka, London Gin, some Appleton Estate, rum, and then Twin Oaks Sandals wine. And then we have a coffee tea area, all very standard stuff. And then upon check-in, you get a very nice glass of champagne. Oops. And then as we step out, you've got an outdoor shower. And then you have got a deck area with two lounge chairs. You've got a mini pool. And then you've got a seating area. And then piece de resistance is a beautiful view of the ocean. So you can watch sunset and just take in a relaxing time. So once again, we are at Sandals Regency La Toc in beautiful St. Lucia, and this is a Butler suite with 2 levels.